Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to pin any conversation of any account you want, any friend on your account on Snapchat, easy and quick. First, choose any account here and you click shot settings, and here you will find pin conversation. Click on it and it will be pinned. And that's it for today. That's how to pin any shot, any conversation, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.